new video. In today's vlog, I'm just going to show you how to install the new .NET 6 preview. So we'll go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, I've already opened up a terminal just to check. Previously, I typed in .NET version just to see if there was anything installed. There currently isn't, so we'll go ahead and get this installed. So just over to the Microsoft website. I will drop a link in below in the description so that you can follow this tutorial. And what we will need is if you're using the Apple M1 Silicon like I am, you'll need the ARM64 version, or you can indeed use the x64 version if you're using the terminal through Rosetta, or if you're still on the Intel Mac as well. So for this example, we'll use the ARM64 version. So just going to go ahead and allow that download to install. Okay, that download's all good to go now, so just go ahead and follow the instructions. Okay, that's all successfully installed. So we'll just go back to the terminal, see if there's any changes. So .NET version. Oh, hang on one second, just open up a new shell. And there we have it. That's .NET 6 up and running. So we'll just do a quick test project. Make directory test proj 1. And we'll just do a very simple console application. So .NET new console. That's done. So let's run it. .NET run. And there we have it. That's our Hello World console application. And that's .NET 6 running on the Apple M1. Just to make this legit, I'll just go about this Mac again. And yeah, chip Apple M1, memory 8 gig.